Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is intended to show you how to create a new tile for our page. This is a single page for a number of lecturers sharing the page together for one course is taught by a number of lecturers, be 8 or up to 10 lecturers. So we have the common. This is the page. We have the common um, tiles, content with the content, the teaching plan, general info, assessment, things that we share together among the lecturers. There are certain things that uh, individual lecturers would like to add up to the content, be it activity, be it video, be it document, and so on, or also quizzes and so on. Uh, so the lecturers can always add up to the common tiles. You can add up their own tiles. Like this one, I've created my tiles. Dr. Zahir and Dr. Nazila, they have also add up their individual tiles. So it's a sharing, but also put into consideration their own effort to have add up items to the course. And we will create group as well, group of students attached to certain classes under the supervision of individual lecturers. Now this is how the page looks like. I'm going through the subject, the course on FIS, Falsafah dan Isu Bahasa, code number BIPW1132. This is a new coded um, course for the subject of FIS, starting from this semester, semester 1, 2021, 2022. Now let's go through our page on the FIS. To begin with, look at the green colored slots up here, box. This indicates that you have to click the box just to activate the editing function. So we click over here and it turns into editing page. If it's slow, because of internet, just stop loading and then refresh. It will come up. Again, stop and refresh. That's it. Again, now the box has turned the color into red, mean that if we want to off the editing, just click here and the editing will be switched off. So for our editing purpose, we need to be on this shape of the page. Here we see line by line or face by face, line by line or face by face. If we switch off, it will go into tiles, in the tile boxes like this. When you create the editing on, it will be line by line, ready for editing. Now we go to, let's see what did I do for my tile, the tile that I created. I've keyed in the Telegram group messaging for all the subjects. I have 6 subjects altogether, 2 with international students and 4 with the local students. So we have FIS in Bahasa for locals and FIS in English for the international student. I'm in charge with this one and also another subject on Malaysian culture, also recoding BIP W2122, the Malaysian culture. So 6 classes altogether. It's here. If you click over here, it will open the page. Click, it will open the page. Here it is. And the student can always click, and then it will click on the shortened URL, and then it will open the so-called. I'm using Telegram, so it will open the Telegram. It will open the Telegram. Just click again on this one, and it will go to registration for the new student. Now let's go back to our page. This is uh, under it's not for editing. It's showing what the page looks like. Uh, this is the editing type, editing pace of the page. So also other than the table, we have the link also. You click the link, it will open just like we've shown just now. It will open the Telegram site, and then this is the barcode for the student to scan through their QR code, and then it will open on their smartphone the site, and then they will register on the group link. They will join the group link. Number two, I also add up about me. This one, this is my e-portfolio with a link and also the QR code. Whatever that they do, they will go to my page on the e-portfolio. My profile, academic activities, my e-portfolio, my CV, the search kit, and so on. This is my e-portfolio. Detail, they can go through the menu bar, and there'll be video, there'll be picture, there'll be a lot of things over here, and they also can go through the sidebar with a working experience, specializing in research kits, research scholar, and so on. And that's it. My contact number and so on. This is the main page, and then if we click on the sidebar on the menu bar, it will open new pages. Okay, let's go back to what I did to our page, or consider our page. I created the group and attendance. This is the group that I have created for my course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 course, 5 classes, 5 groups of students for the subject FIS. This one does not include my 6th subject on Malaysian culture because there will be another page. Okay, now let's go back. That's the group creation, and we also created the attendance. The attendance will be individual group. We set it up so that it will list up the attendance list from day 1 up to the last semester, which is week 14th or week 15th, including the semester break. And each time the students click on their classes, it will open the page for them to register. At the moment, it's not active because it will start for this subject on Monday, mean that it will start on the 4th of October. Let's see the editing. What did I do? You cannot see from here because it's still not effective yet. The class will be on starting Monday, 4th of October. Okay. Let's see. The activity completion. It will end, our course will end. The week 15 is on the 10th of January 2022. We can see it inside the editing, but the student cannot get it activated until day 1 of the lecture, which will start on the 4th of October next week, 2021. Now let's go back. What have I done? So again, I repeat, I have the group of students into 5 classes, and we have individual class attendance records for the whole semester. And then I add up also the assessment in English because the common one will be in Bahasa, so I have to put the English one inside my tiles. That's what I've done at the moment. Now I'm going to show you how did I do it. How did I do it? Now let's start from the main page of our course. Uh, when it shows like this and this is red, meaning that we are on editing phase. Start creating tiles followed by labels with contents of the course. We go to the bottom of the page. We can see the plus add tiles. Click on add tile. And then we put the number 1 because we are only creating one tile, which is one tile per lecturer. So one tile, click add tile. Now it come up with the order number of tiles existing in the page that currently is number 25. When the tile has been created, we will just now rename it. We could type over here, or we could edit over here as well. Edit section and then put custom over there. Click on the custom, then put the name. We're gonna create for Dr. Mahadi. We're gonna create Dr. Mahadi style. And then he will complete later on. But we will help him to do that one. And then pick a new icon. New icon for the tiles. We'll suggest this one. The lecturer with the light. Save changes. Now it's fully created now. You can see the new tile for Dr. Mahadi has been created over here. Now we're gonna create label with the contents, whatever they want to put inside. Now we put create labels, go to create activity or add activity or resources over here, and then click on label. This is label. Click on label. There it is. From label, we're gonna name the label as. Let's start with the list of context or list of group link. So we're going to name it as um, join our WhatsApp group link. Highlight the text because we're going to make it bigger size. Go for medium and then bold. Again, heading medium and then bold. That's it. Just click save and return to course. There it is. We have managed to create. Is it here? Expand. There it is. We expand the view, the section from here. And then we're going to start to fill up content for the new label. Add 10 activity or resources. What are we going to put here? We're going to put, or let's just edit from the WhatsApp content. It's already there. Okay. Okay, that should be okay. We create new then. Let it be a topic like that. So we create new activity or resources. Now we create on page. We create on page. Page. Now the topic will be group link. Group link. Class. Group link. Class. Group link. Now we're gonna put the picture of the group link that I've already created for him. It's gonna search the picture group link. Group link is it this one? Upload the file. Click on the image is decorative only. Let's start with the group link. Let's find again. Browse. It might be on the desktop. I might put it here. There it is. Upload file is decorative. It is too big. Make it smaller a bit. Let's see. We make it 650. Click here to make it auto size. Click on the next box to make it auto size, and then save image. Display description on course page. Finish one content. Gonna add another one. The link. We're gonna put the link over here. The link. The link. Where did I put the link? The link is. Let me check. The link is here, I think. Yeah, I put it here. Now just copy this one. Copy this one, the link. Then I put it under our page. Paste the link. That's the link. Or we can just also. This is a picture, so we link it to the hyperlink. Also open new Windows, create link. Here it is. To make it nicer, what we can do is put an icon over here. Icon. This is what I did. Icon. There are a lot of nice icon over here. For example, we're gonna use a pen or something like that. Where's the pen? Pen should be right slanting. The pen is not there. Further down. Further down. Further down. That's not the pen. Here it is. Take this one. Take this one. This one. This will be nice. Quite nice. Okay, now I'm gonna put the QR code that the student can always optionally, scan and open from the smartphone. Insert is inside. You're gonna find the file. Where did I put the file? It's inside the download. Here it is. And the size. Look at the size. Override. The size. Can we make it a bit bigger? 150. Then click the second box to make it auto size. Auto size, and then remember to click this image is decorative only and save image. Save image. What do we have? There we have. There we have. Join. Oh, this one we have to type. It will not come out. Just want to type something. Join. 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 WhatsApp. Join. WhatsApp. Okay. And then that's it. Just click save and return to course. Let's see if it's slow. Then we'll just stop it and then refresh. That's it. That's Dr. Mahadi. We have the class group link and we have the picture, and then we have the link when they have the QR code. If we click either on the link or on the picture, it will go to the page. It will go to the page whereby the student can click to join the group, click any of their class, and then click to join the WhatsApp group. That's it. That's how it is. Now we've created one. We've created one. label. We're gonna create another label on what? Another label will be on what did I do on mine? Let's see, what did I do on mine? Mine will be the template. So let's see, what did I do on mine? What else did we create? This is it. We have now group and attendance. We create group and attendance. How to do it will be further detailed in the next video that I'm putting after this slide. There will be the address whereby you just click and then go to the YouTube. That will you go into detail of how to you know how to create the so-called attendance group and attendance. But I'm going to show how to create group first. Now this is mine. Close mine. This is the Mali that we created. Open it here. Expand it here. Yeah, they have one. Gonna create one more. We're not gonna create label. Put label. Label is like a section, it's that sections. We're gonna label. Now would be uh, group, 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 and attendance. Group and attendance. Yep. Again, we're gonna make it heading medium and bold because it's a topic, is a category or section. Save and return to course. Refresh. There it is. We managed to create the so-called label 1 on join group, label 2 on group and attendance. Now, before going further with the group and attendance creation, we need to set the group on the administration side. Here, on the administration side, go to user, click user, and click groups. Click groups. These are the group that has been created. Now we'll see what group is Dr. Mahdi created. His group. Let's check his group. Gonna check the one that we designed just now. Let's see his group. This is mine. I thought he has, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups altogether. Start with 1 BENGS2. So 1 BENGS2. We're going to create a group now. Create group. Type 1 BE. Double check again. BENGS2. BE1. BENGS2. Then put the name, put his name, so that the student will know this belong to Dr. Mahadi class. Lowercase. Okay, we managed to create the group. This one we don't put the enrollment key. Otherwise, we have to to provide the student with the password. So just ignore that one. Group messaging, maybe say yes, and then click save changes. That's one under him. And just create another, how many more? 5 more groups. We're going to do it for him. Create groups. Or we just create 3 and then he will complete the remaining 3. Group number 2 that we're going to write for him. 1 L, one B-E-E-L, one B-E-E-L. Same thing apply. Yes, and then save changes. There's two group. Oh, we forgot to put his name. We can edit again, no problem. Just click this one, click edit group, and then underscore, put underscore. This is the system that we do, underscore, or bracket, either one that you like it. Dr. Mahadi. Okay, that's it. Save changes. And the third one, create group, the third class, that's one BITD, one BITD. Just this one, click yes, and then save changes. And we managed to create three. So okay, now we just finish up. Complete the other three more. The other one is one BITZ, BITZ1, BITZ underscore, put his name, put it yes is one, save changes. How many that we have now? One, two, three, one, two, three. Oh, we forgot to put his name on the BITD. Click on the class, on the group, edit group setting, underscore, put his name. Then we have four. We have four. Four groups at the moment. Save changes. There's one, two, three, four. There, I noticed a few corrections need to be done. Edit. And save changes. The other one is here. Edit. And save. So we have one, two, three, one, two, three, four. Okay, let's see what are other class under his supervision. One BMCG, one BMCG, one BMCG S1 and S2. One BMCG. Create group. One BMCG in bracket. One BMCG in bracket. The S1 and S2. S1 and S2. S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Close bracket. And then his name. And the last one I'm gonna create for him is what? Various courses is one. Keep bigger. 2B, 2B MMI, 3B MMI, 3B MMK. Wow. So we just create B MMI and B MMK. So I finished already. Create group. B M M B M M I B M M K. Is it? Double check. B M M I B M M K. Okay. Underscore. I'm gonna put his name and yes, over here. Number ID number. It we don't need it. Don't need it. I'm just ignore that one. Then save changes. So we have it should the command should have 4 class registered. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 class. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we managed to create. Once the student register over here, we will see the number of students inside the bracket. For example, mine at the moment, 2 days before lecture, I have only 1 student who registered already in the group. In that, meaning that the student can access the system already. So that's it. Finish create the group. We thereby finish creating the group. Now we go back to our page and then go to our tile. This is the one that I've created for Dr. Mahadi. Now we can create the tile from here. And then we can create the content for the group over here. It's already there. Okay. So then now we can create the group now. On activity and resource. It's here. Group choice. Group choice. We will type over here. Choose your group, your class group. So creating the class group, and we click on the group and then type name. Choose your group, class group over here. We will be filled by the one that we created earlier under the administration and user. So we just customize this one. Click on the display description course page. Untick or do not click on the allow enrollment in multiple groups because it's only one group. And ignore this one. This one, do not publish result to the student. Yeah, okay. And then we just transfer. This is the one that we created. Transfer to the selected groups under the supervision. If we got it wrong, we can always remove. We can always remove. And we can add up again. Add up starting from the first class. Add up. Second class. Third class. And continue. Fourth, fifth, and sixth. Altogether 6. This one ignore, just click save and return to course. Here it is, it has been created, the class group. And then we just click class group is considered finished already. It's created now attendance. Create for attendance, create another activity and resource. Choose attendance. Now that's the attendance. Over here under attendance, I will create the first class and then he will complete the rest. How to know about it, how to do it, description will be given in the next slide. The next slide, I will show you where to go through the YouTube. To take one, we're going to take BITD, one BITD. Going to take that one. One BITD. Um, let's have a look at the timetable. His timetable indicates that his class for BITD it happens on Tuesday 8 to 9:50. Tuesday 8 to 9:50. 8 8 to 9:50 hours every Tuesday. Okay. Click there for course page. Grade. We don't put the grade, just say none on that one. Show on the course group. Separate group. Click separate group. That's it. On the restrict. Click on the restrict. Is the group which is BITD. One BITD. That's it. Completion. Activity completion. Completion means the end of the semester. This one will go for 15 weeks. So let's see the calendar. The calendar. Enable. We need to enable it first. And go through the calendar. It's on the 5th of Tuesday. So the semester will end in January, Tuesday, 11, 7 week, second week of January. So 11th January 2024. So we just imagine end of the day should be 17. Oh, just in case. So we make it end of the day. Tag, no need. This one also no need. No need, just save and return to course. That's it. We managed to create group. We managed to create class attendance. Double check class attendance. Now we need to create. Now we need to create. Lastly but not least, we need to create the listing of attendance from day one to the end of the semester. Do not click here. Just click on the class name. Click on add session. Add session. The group is BITD. Start from 5th of October, Tuesday. 5th of October. It will start at 8 hours, ending at 9:50. 9:50. This is class 1. We have all 6 classes altogether. So we call this class 1. Create calendar, multiple session. Multiple session, repeat every Tuesday. Repeat every Tuesday. Every week until the one that we mentioned just now on the 11th of January. I'll put it here. 11th of January 2020, 2021, 2022. 11th of January 2022. Okay, that's it. All students to record own attendance. They will click on their own once they are in, and that's it. Add. See, from day one, the student attend the class, starting from the 5th of October until week 15. Week 15 include the semester break 1 week. Week 15. So the semester should end the class should end on the Tuesday 11th of January. They will see the record. If there's something wrong, you can edit over here. If you want to modify, delete this one, click this one, and so on. Further detail you can find in the next video. I'm giving you the link to the YouTube. after this session. Now let's go back to our design for Dr. Mahadi. Now we have the first label and join our link. And then we have group attendance and so on. The class group. And now let's see how the student will see the tiles. Now change into student view. We view like a student. Student. Switch to student role. When the students are in, they will see like this. Click on the Mahadi. They will see like this, and then they will go to the class. Choose your class. They will choose. Only once they will click which one is their class, and then save the choice. Only once they click this one, the so-called attendance list will be active. This one is still gray. It will be active blue color once the student has already registered under the class. They have to tick one of these 6 classes. Again, go back. So at the moment, we can see 4 lecturers has designed the so-called tiles. This is individual lecturers, and the rest will be filled up by the coordinator. The penyelaras coordinator will fill up the rest, which is commonly shared by all. This is mine. My student will be using my tiles, Dr. Zahir, Dr. Azila, and Dr. Mahadi, the one that we designed just now. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Make your effort to do your very best in our lecture for this semester. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.